it's Tommy Touge. I'm doing more things. So you'll see before that we went and got a fuel flap release cable for Lauren's car, and finally I have some time to deal with it. So we're gonna go pick up Mr. P Dubs, and then we're gonna go grab Lauren's car. We'll just dump the Civic there for now, bring it back, fix that, and hopefully that'll make Lauren's life just a little bit nicer, because she doesn't really rate the whole fuel flapping around in the wind thing, but whatever. I don't know if you can see that, but that is actually, that's us. What's this? Who's that? Oh, it's the star of the show. It's Paddy Dubs. And what did he bring? What a surprise. Only a small one though, probably do that in one bite. Hey mate.
What's up?
Nothing. What are we doing?
Fix Lauren's freaking fuel cap thing.
That's right.
Flap,
Make
flap.
it proper flappy now. Flip, flap, floppity flip.
That's it.
On this webisode, two idiots fix floppy fuel flap. Yeah, Lauren, you need it fixed. Paddy's gonna sniff all your fuel. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see if it closes. Nope. No good. Some high quality. It's definitely 91 octane. Only the finest in this beast. But it's okay, because we have the cable and we know how to fix it. So we've done our first modification for the day. We've done the old lowered non-bucket seat, which is kind of fun. Obviously we've taken all the trim out, because this is the culprit, this little grey sucker. That runs all the way through here, all the way under there, all the way over there to Paddy Dubs. So we're just going to take out the back seat and deal with that, and then hopefully the carpet comes up nicely and we can get the cable out. If not, we will see Paddy Dubs cry on film. He's prepped his tear face. So a fun piece of advice is, when you're working on cars, always have the right team. Other than Paddy Dubs, there's a lot of guys behind the scenes that really go on to help in this. Here's a sneak peek. We've got Donatello, Iron Man, I believe that's Superman. He's a bit hungover from last night, but that's alright, he's usually pretty helpful. But the main man, Paddy Dubs, he's the real hero of the channel. Without him, nothing would get done.
You said that one.
Just for a while, I'll try this one. Might be able to rotate it out of the way. But that's what the other screws you had for it.
There's like one more thing here.
Alrighty, so we've got the back seat out.
Delicious.
So yeah, we got the back seat out. You see the cable runs all the way under the carpet, all the way around to there. P Dubs is just tearing through it. He's a YouTube certified mechanic. Let's have a look at your sick new tatty, Paddy. Damn, son.
Which one of my lame trio?
Oh, he's got some sick flexes on the gang. Whoa, what is that? Oh, there's a snake. There is a snake in my boot. So we're going to carefully unclip all of that, and
We need it.
that's fine. We can put it back in later. It's fine. And I wonder if we can see the temporarily flap opening job I did. So if you can see that pen, that pen's wedged in there. That was me. That's why the flap's permanently open, other than the fact that the cable, which is down in that little hole in there, is snapped inside. So it doesn't work. But we'll keep dealing with that. need scissors. Cut this bitch.
And here we have the wildebeest fixing the Corolla. He has absolutely no idea what he's doing, but he looks really good doing it. It's not his fault that he just doesn't care and does what he wants. However, now he's made it much worse, and the car will be stripped forever. I hope Lauren likes race cars.
Reaching that hole, you see it.
Oh, you want it off?
I'll feed it through you first. But yeah, take that end off. I'll pull it over actually. Take the pen out.
Lid side.
It's a good fix, really.
What am I looking at? I literally have not.
So it should.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it should like pull to you and unhook sort of thing.
Assortment of.
I've got it. If you want two hands, I've got this. And now we play Russian roulette, and then we mix them up, and then guess which one's the good one. Just kidding. Looking into the eyes of a genius, ladies and gentlemen. An absolute guru. And ladies, he has fingers to please. But don't judge by his watch, he ain't playing, kids. He ain't playing. Real talk, world star. Just trying to get it in the hole. There goes nothing, boys. Back. One sec. Beautiful. Yep, pull that slide back. Ah. It's the end of it's gonna be out. Yeah, hold that. I'm gonna close the flap. Alright boys, Paddy does not rate the 20 years of dust. How bad is it, Paddy?
It's gross.
But how good is the fuel flap? Let's give it a red hot go. Oh boy. Oh, look at it go. Look, we fixed it. Beautiful. And now we're just going to put the front seat back in and roll stripped interior for weight reduction and massive power gains.
That's it.
Sorry, Lauren. Look at him go. Just getting it done. Back. So that's all done. Lauren will get this green beast back. See her do a quick pull. Okay, it's really slow, but that's alright. It's not meant to be a race car. But Lauren's car now works. She'll get that back. I'm trying to stomp it on existing clutch. Cool. But yeah. basically seeing Paddy Dubs do all the work, which is nice. It's good to see him get it done. He's a real team player. I'm just a site supervisor, clearly. So Paddy 2 will update his next video, but I suggest you like, comment, and subscribe to his content, and stay tuned for more bananas. See ya.